Here we are, day one at the warehouse, distribution center. We got Joel here, fixing refrigerators. How you doing, Joel? We've got these little roll-around carts, pretty cool. Nifty carts, they hold all of our Freon. We've got a row of refrigerators here. This is our head technician, Jose. He's the grand master of repair. Right, Jose? You're the grand master of repair? All right, well, let's start over here. Let's start at kind of where the entrance of the warehouse is. We still have a lot of stuff from the old tenant. He had so much stuff in here. We're just kind of working around all of his stuff until he gets cleaned out. We got 3 forklifts, refrigerators, parts, appliance parts. And here's where it kind of starts. All these refrigerators are plugged in. Down this aisleway is a bunch of refrigerator plugs, water for the ice makers, power. We've got, I think it's 45 refrigerators we can plug in at one time. This side, and the side where they're working now. We've got, let's see here. All these appliances right here, they're on deck to be repaired. So we've got kind of like a conga line of, assembly line of ovens and dryers. Our high voltage is along this wall. Those ovens are all plugged in. Those dryers are all running and they're being tested. And they're all plugged in right along the back there. Sorry, the compressor's on, so it's a little loud over here. Moving on down. This is our washing machine station. We've got tons of drawers and filing cabinets with all kinds of knobs and bearings. These are bearing wheels for dryers. They're filled with all kinds of components. Here's the shelves. When we scrap washers out, we keep the heads and the dryers so we can pull the timers off of them, off the backs. All of them have, like, you know, switches and timers and whatever else we need. So we have to always match them up with the model that that we're replacing something on. So we have them all. These are old Kenmore heads. Kenmore, Whirlpools are up there. GEs are there. We have enough to fill this whole shelf, except we still haven't moved everything over here yet. Anyway, here's the washer station. Big old industrial fan keeps the place well ventilated. We've got our connections, so we can hook up 2 washing machines per station. There's the drain, there's the power, there's our water source. These are our air hoses. So able to clean everything off. Oops. And we have my little creation there, which is a water recycling station. And basically what it does is we've got a high pressure pump system here connected with a pressure gauge. Right now it's reading 50 pounds per square inch. This is a well tank. Basically what it does is it creates pressure in the system so we can have multiple machines on pumping water into the washing machines at one time. And we can have probably up to 20 washing machines. If we were to turn them all on all at one time, they would all have enough water pressure to be able to turn them all on. Then all the drains right here, there's another one over there, they're all connected to this pipe, and it dumps off into this container at the bottom. The container at the bottom collects the water, and then there is a sump pump, which is right down here in the bottom of the tank, and when it reaches a certain level, it kicks on automatically, pumps it through this pipe, through this sediment filter to keep the water from going into the pump system, and any trash or anything goes up dumps